Electric stove burner not heating? Two components control each burner and either one can fail. The heating element, this is the coil or glass top element that gets hot. On coil-top stoves, the element plugs into a receptacle. Try pulling it out and pushing it back in firmly. If it's loose, that's your problem. If one element doesn't work, try swapping it with the same size element from another burner. If the swapped element works in that spot, the original element is burned out. Coil element replacement is 50 to 120 including the part. The infinite switch, this is the knob control that regulates temperature. Each burner has its own switch. When the switch fails, the burner either won't turn on at all or gets stuck on high heat with no temperature control. Switch replacement is 100 to 200 per switch. On glass top and ceramic stoves, the elements are sealed under the glass. You can't swap test them. If a burner zone doesn't heat, it's either the radiant element under the glass or the switch. A tech needs to test with a multimeter to determine which one. Cracked glass top, if you dropped something heavy on your glass cooktop and it cracked, the entire top needs replacing. Glass top replacement runs $300 to $700 depending on brand and size. At that price, weigh it against buying a new stove. Electric stove repair. All brands. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.